Okay, here's Loretta's birthday party.
Yay!
Friends videotaping.
Favorite niece Julie. There's the birthday girl.
And I'm straightening up her tears.
There's Mary, Rico, Mark. Here, Mom, say hi to the camera, Mom.
She doesn't want to look. Want to stand over here?
Yes, let's come over here. Here's Grandma. Sean is here.
This is where Sean sits.
It's here. He's right there.
Okay, here. Here's the birthday. Let's here, get me now, Mark.
All right, little handoff.
A little handoff. Show me
Just sit on this.
YouTube.
Right.
There's Fran over here.
Generation is going to be on the YouTube scenario there. YouTube.
YouTube. Go Hillary.
Put the cake in the
Don't shut it off yet.
Put the cake in the
We'll put the
Okay, ready to sing? Should we sing?
enlarge it out, enlarge it.
Yep.
Let's shut the light off here.
Light up.
See, can you still pick it up?
Fran, we need you over by the cake.
All right.
It's too dark now, isn't it?
Time to sing.
Okay, happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Martin. Loretta, Fran, day to you.
Blow the candles out.
Sean?
Blow out the candles, Loretta. Come on, harder, harder.
Blow them out.
Yay! Oh, that's a stubborn one.
Plenty more YouTube stuff to go around. Don't flash around.